G'day, my name's Sam. This is my 2006 Nissan Patrol TD42.
Running 4-inch shocks, 4-inch coils, 11.5-inch travel front and 13.5 rears. Millweld bar on the front, custom side rails, custom tray, built by like a guy, Rob Pike at Metal Spec Fabrication. 2 canopies, 1 dog box, 1 fridge box, and then a jack-off canopy on the back with rooftop tent and all 12-volt gear inside. Underneath, all superior rods, panhards, track rod, superior superflex arms, and then extended lower arms in the rear. Yeah, run Marks portals, an extra 5-inch clearance on the diff, pushes a bit wider, about 200mm wider, and then run a positive rim, positive 37, to try and get the wheels back inside a little bit. 37-inch tyres, twin locked, front and rear, auto locker in the front, air in the back, works pretty good. Engine, untouched, JMax snorkel, airbox, 4-inch straight through, HPT intercooler, high flow turbo, and then just catch cam. Dual system, yeah, so main battery and the dual runs the canopy. That's out the engine bay, just runs out the back. Oricon UHF. Just gonna run some bags in the rear, and then we'll get a bit of work underneath. It's tied up a little bit. Probably the portals.